What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at an EV charger that you can use for your electric vehicle. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can go over it. All right, so once we get everything out of the box, you get a couple of things. This is going to be your user manual. You get a nice carrying case so you can pack up your charger if you need to take it with you on the go. You're going to get power adapters so you can get this plugged into your power outlet. You would just take the adapter, plug it in here like so, and now we can use the 3 connector outlet in your home. You also get an adapter that takes this from a Tesla NACS connection to a J1772 connection, so you can use this with multiple types of vehicles. So this is really cool. You can plug this in like so, and this way you can use this with other vehicles, say for instance like Toyota, Nissan, GM, other vehicles that may use the J1772. If your vehicle doesn't use that, if you have a Tesla, then you're going to be all set with this connection. All right, so this is going to be a charger with adjustable currents. So this way you can set the right amperage for your vehicle and for the amount of power that you're going to be using when you're charging. You can also set a timer. So if you wanted to say start in an hour or 2 hours, you can do that. And that way you can plug it in and let it charge on that set schedule. And even though this is portable, it is still weather protected. So if you look, you have this nice and sealed. The cable is nice and thick, and you can use this when it's raining or when it's cold outside. If it's warm outside, it's no problem because it has different types of protection. So you have under voltage, over voltage, short circuit protection, also lightning, and then also temperature. So that way, if it's too warm, you're protected. So overall, this is going to be a nice travel charger to take with you, or a charger that you can use for your EV. Now, I would recommend this charger, especially for anyone who owns a Tesla or for anyone who just purchased an EV and needs to get a charger. So this is going to be something that I would definitely recommend you keep in your vehicle because it's so nice and compact. You can put this either in the front or in the rear in that sub compartment in most of your EVs. It's going to come in handy, say for instance, if you're traveling and you may stop at a rest stop or a friend's house or something like that, you can plug in and always maintain your battery's health or get some extra miles back onto your battery. Well, guys, this is going to be the EV charger for your Tesla with the J1772 adapter for other EVs. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.